Hey everyone, it's Dnoorian here, and in this video I'm going to be taking apart a bad thermostat. In today's video I'm going to be using this Ranko thermostat that I got off a beverage air cooler. The thermostat wasn't working, so rather than throwing it out, thought I would make a quick video and open it up and see what it's like inside. So let me come to the side of my camera, give you guys a close-up. So how I'm going to take this apart is I'm going to take this cover off with a flat screwdriver, and like so. This is what we get on the inside here. Some dirt, some burnt spots inside on the metal flap. And next thing we're going to do is take this little flap out and see the contact that is under it. See what the connection looks like, if it's burnt. I'm the one that took this out of the beverage air, so I know it's a bit faulty. It's faulty, but the contact here is a little pitted, but other than that, not too shabby. Once again, this is Dnoorian. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time.